This is the story of a couple's indomitable spirit. Leaving behind the mechanical rhythm of the busy city, they chose the silence of a remote wilderness. Their destination wasn't a manicured garden, but a forgotten, abandoned farm, a place where modern comforts were replaced by gray plains and the raw call of nature. Their struggle began with the land itself. By clearing dense weeds and overgrown brush, they reclaimed the soil bit by bit, making it habitable. With deep devotion, they measured out the sacred ground where their dream home would stand, and the grueling task of excavation began. The path was too rugged for heavy machinery, no trucks could reach this secluded spot. But for those with mountain-sized dreams, no obstacle is insurmountable. They carried every construction material themselves, piece by piece, across the difficult terrain. To fortify the ground, they carefully laid down layers of gravel. And through that sweat and toil, the foundation finally emerged from the earth, a testament to a dream slowly turning into reality. To protect the house from ground moisture, a specialized drainage membrane is first laid down. Then begins the true craftsmanship. Blocks are arranged one by one, and sturdy iron rods are meticulously placed within their grooves. Finally, liquid concrete is poured to form the solid foundation of the house. Each step carries a profound sense of fulfillment. To keep the construction flawless, wooden stakes are driven into every corner, with strings pulled tight between them. These strings serve as the perfect standard for the walls, even the slightest misalignment is caught here. This is perhaps the most labor-intensive and delicate part of the entire build. The pace might be slow, but every second is spent in pursuit of absolute precision. Because the longevity of a dream home depends on this perfect foundation. Since this part of the house will remain underground, facing years of moisture and intense soil pressure, no compromises were made regarding its security. A special, waterproofing layer is carefully applied all around the structure. This will protect the home from damp weather and ensure its durability for years to come. In this way, bit by bit, a couple's dream sanctuary is taking shape. With the installation of the basement's load-bearing system, the house is now beginning to take its complete shape. These strong beams are the core foundation that will support the entire weight of the first-floor flooring. Once this orderly grid of beams is in place, large OSB panels are laid over them. This layer will protect the house from the bone-chilling cold outside and the damp moisture from the ground. Then begins one of the most exciting stages of construction, the framing of the first floor. As the wooden frames are perfectly joined together, the true form of the house gradually becomes clear before our eyes. With the ground floor structure now visible, it's time to move to the next level. Following the exact same method, the load-bearing wooden beams are carefully positioned here as well. Then, OSB panels are laid over that grid. In this same consistent manner, work on framing the walls of the upper floor has also begun. These green cladding panels not only resist strong winds but also make the exterior of the house even stronger. Each panel is measured with absolute precision and firmly fixed onto the main structure. Next, the roof is being completely covered with a waterproof membrane. On top of that roof layer, shingle roofing is being installed one by one. This lightweight yet durable material is flexible while providing long-term protection to the house. Finally, the installation of windows and the main exterior door has begun. In the entire house construction process, this moment is considered one of the most fulfilling and symbolic steps. To make the house habitable and comfortable, the installation of the heating system has now begun. In the area where the stove will be placed, tiles have been carefully laid first. Then, the chimney pipe is extended from the inside through the exterior wall and is firmly secured from the outside as well. The walls have been treated in several stages to make them protected and temperature resistant. First, stone wool or mineral insulation is stuffed into the gaps of the wooden frame. As an additional layer of protection, a vapor barrier, also known as a blue membrane, is laid over it. Finally, gypsum boards are installed on top. In the final stage of work, all the walls and the ceiling of the house are covered with drywall. As a result, the electrical wiring, insulation, and all technical details are hidden from view. A clean and smooth interior environment is created, which is now fully ready for any paint or design. This method has made every corner of the house comfortable while ensuring its energy-efficient quality. This three-layered special system, applied uniformly to every room in the house, ensures energy efficiency on one hand and interior comfort on the other. For the wall finishing, a primer coat is being applied first. This initial layer makes the walls smooth, ensuring that the final coat of paint appears more beautiful and even. In the area where the stove will be placed, special heat-resistant materials are being installed on the walls to keep the house safe. On the other hand, the entire bathroom area is being perfectly prepared before the tiles are laid. This pre-preparation is a crucial step to make the bathroom durable and completely waterproof. Finally, work has begun on the staircase connecting the two floors. This staircase not only creates an easy path between the levels but also adds a touch of warmth and elegance to the home's interior design. In this way, through each small task, the house is moving toward its complete form. Now begins the most critical stage of the bathroom, completely tiling the floor and walls. Once the tiling is finished, the shower enclosure, sink, and bathroom cabinets are installed. Altogether, the bathroom has now achieved its final and polished look. Next, the focus shifts to the upper floor room. A special underlayment is first spread across the floor, followed by the wooden floor panels, laid down one by one. This room will become the couple's cozy bedroom. With the natural warmth of the wood, the room has now become even more vibrant. Finally, it was time for the kitchen. Each module or section was meticulously placed against the wall and firmly secured. As the cabinets settled into their places, the true layout and boundary of the kitchen began to emerge. After installing the stove and other essential appliances, this part of the house has now turned into one of its most functional and bustling spaces. A protection system has now been ensured in every corner of the house, which not only makes the structure sturdy but also keeps the indoor climate perfectly comfortable. To prepare the walls for painting, a special primer coat is being applied first. This makes the surface so smooth and flawless that every layer of the final paint will stand out with exquisite elegance. A home must be as safe as it is beautiful. Therefore, a special heat-resistant coating is being applied to the walls where the kitchen stove will be placed. Similarly, meticulous preparation has begun in the bathroom before laying the tiles. Every inch is being carefully waterproofed to ensure this part of the house remains moisture-free and durable for years to come. These unseen efforts are what guarantee the long life of the home. Finally, attention has turned to the connection between the ground floor and the upper level. A specially designed staircase is being artistically installed. It is not just a means of moving from one floor to another, its wooden craftsmanship adds a touch of serenity and warmth to the interior decor. With the installation of the staircase, the house has reached very close to its complete form. The most important part of the interior decor is now the bathroom. The meticulous tiling of the floor and walls is complete, bringing a serene elegance to the entire space. Along with this, a modern shower enclosure, sink, and necessary cabinets have been added one by one. With these fittings in place, the bathroom is now fully ready for use. Work has begun to transform the empty space on the upper floor into a peaceful bedroom. First, a special underlayment layer was spread over the floor, and on top of it, artistic wooden floor panels were arranged one after another. This wooden flooring not only spreads warmth throughout the room but also creates a magical atmosphere for rest. Finally, the heart of the house, the kitchen, has come to life. Each module and cabinet was measured individually and perfectly fitted onto the walls. Once the cabinets were in their proper places, the true shape and boundary of the kitchen became clear. With the installation of the stove and other essential appliances, this part of the house has now become its most functional and organized space. After completing the interior, attention turned to the exterior skin of the house. Special wood cladding has been used here. This wood isn't just a decorative material, it acts as a powerful natural shield. Whether it's the scorching sun, stormy winds, or heavy rain, this special cladding will protect the house from all of nature's elements. This touch of wood has harmonized the house with its natural surroundings. Immediately after the exterior walls were finished, work began on building a spacious wooden terrace at the entrance. This open platform gives the entrance a grand look and has become the perfect spot to spend time with nature. Whether for morning tea or soaking in the late afternoon sun, it has become the most attractive part of the house, an artistic bridge between interior elegance and the open wilderness. The hustle inside is finally coming to an end. After the last coat of paint graces the walls, the quiet space seems to breathe with a new, gentle life. But the story doesn't stop here. As the interior finds its harmony, the exterior begins its transformation into something equally enchanting. To wrap the entrance in elegance, a beautiful wooden terrace is taking shape. As the sturdy timber planks are perfectly laid one by one, the house begins to reclaim its full form. This craftsmanship is more than just a seating area, it serves as a bridge between the mechanical world and the raw beauty of nature. From a distance, the softness of the paint and the warmth of the wood blend into a single, cohesive vision. With this artistic touch, the once abandoned landscape has transformed into a regal sanctuary. Built piece by piece, this small dwelling is no longer just a house, it is a triumphant reflection of a visionary couple's long, patient, and dedicated labor. After months of grueling hard work, immense patience, and sacrifice, a modern and functional, tiny house finally stands tall on this abandoned farm. It may be small in size, but every inch reflects intelligence and exquisite craftsmanship. Today, as one walks through the rooms, the touch of the couple's skilled hands, their long-standing patience, and their cherished dreams are visible in every corner and every joint. A desolate field has now transformed into a compassionate sanctuary. There is an opportunity to see this long and exciting journey of transforming an abandoned land into a dream home in more detail. Those who achieved this impossible feat have detailed and informative videos of every construction step on their YouTube channel. We have shared their channel links in the description and comment box for you. This house is not just a structure of wood and concrete, it is a living testament to a couple's hard work and indomitable dreams.